Hi, welcome to this week's video blog at MonsterMortgage.ca. My name is Kristian Harris, and just briefly going to speak about sort of underwriting guidelines and some changes. A lot of the lenders have changed over the last 6 to 12 months some of their underwriting guidelines. Some have been mandated by OSFI and the government. Some of them have just also been some changes that they've made internally. And one of those changes is how they sort of calculate outstanding debt. Specifically, maybe if it's a line of credit. A lot of people have lines of credit and they might have a small balance owing on that, and some of them are interest only, so it's a very low minimum obligation on a monthly basis. Some are a certain percentage. Well, the banks have basically, some of the lenders and banks have basically changed how they're going to calculate it, and they're going to calculate it so it's going to be more. So instead of having that minimum payment of $50, it's now going to be $150, how they're internally calculating this. So what does that mean to you? Well, it means what we've been stressing for a little while, is that with all these changes, it's more difficult today than it was years past. The government has tightened up underwriting guidelines, and it's very important that you understand when you're looking to get pre-approved or do something with your mortgage that you get all the information, you sit down with a mortgage professional who understands those changes, who are on top of those changes, because there are a lot of changes and a lot of people out there aren't even aware of them, but it does you no good to basically have a pre-approval based on information that you gave over the phone or quickly face-to-face in front of a teller, to go out and buy and only to find out when that deal is actually submitted into CMHC or Genworth for underwriting, or to the bank's central underwriting unit, that you no longer qualify for the pre-approval you were given. So it's very important to be working with a mortgage professional, and more today than ever, because the guidelines have changed, the rules have changed, and you need to be prepared. So work with a mortgage professional. Call us today. If you're looking to get pre-approved or you have an existing mortgage coming up, come in, sit down, go through what's happening today, how these new rule changes affect you today and moving forward down the road. Thank you very much.